Today, I am starting with another new types of quadratic equation. We have to solve this quadratic equation by completing square method. Suppose one question is given x square plus 6x plus 7 equal to 0. We have to solve it by completing square. So you see how it should be done. Here we will write x square plus 6x equal to minus 7. Means you see this constant term I have taken in the right hand side. Why? And here you have given to solve it by completing square method. So you try to make it a formula of a square plus 2ab plus b square or a square minus 2ab plus b square. Since there is a plus sign here, it will be the formula of a square plus 2 into a into b. You see it is 6x. To a from I have written a from here, and b I have by imagination we have written, not imagination, it is 6x. So 2x is multiplied by 3 to get 6x. So b will be 3. So if b is 3, then b square will be 3 square equal to minus 7 is given, and you have to add 3 square in this side also, as this 3 square I have written extra in the left hand side. That's why we have to write 3 square in the right hand side also. Why we have done it? You see it is in the form of now a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is called completing square, a plus b whole square. Its formula is a plus b whole square is equal to, you write minus 7 plus 9. Now you see this 9 minus 7 is 2. Now you write x plus 3 is equal to, you have to write here 2 means plus minus 2. When root over sign is there, you have to give this sign plus minus. Now you write x equal to plus minus root 2 minus 3. So this is the solution. Here you see the two values of x are there. One of them is plus root 2 minus 3. Another of them is minus root 2 minus 3. So this is the solution of this question. Another question. I am trying for another question. You see the question is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. How we can solve it? So as usual you write 2x square minus 6x is equal to minus 3. Therefore you see we are unable to make it a completing square. So to get completing square, you divide both sides by 2. Actually I want to remove this 2 from here. So if we divide each of the terms by 2, it will be x square minus, if we divide this by 2, it will be 3x equal to, if we divide by 2, it will be minus 3 by 2. Now you see we can write it as a square minus 2 into a is x and b is 3 by 2. Why we have written 3 by 2? To get minus 3x. You see 2 can be cancelled, so minus 3x left. That is, now you write it is in the form of a square minus 2ab. Now you write plus b square. B square. That is equal to minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 whole square. We have written 3 by 2 extra in this side also, as we have written 3 by 2 whole square in this side. So you have to add 3 by 2 whole square in that side also. Now you see it becomes a formula of a minus b whole square is equal to, you simplify this part, minus 3 by 2 plus 9 by 4. Here you take LCM 4. If 4 is the LCM, you divide 4 by 2. 2 times 2 into minus 3 is minus 6. Plus it's 1 time, so 9. So the value becomes 3 by 4. Therefore, x minus 3 by 2 is equal to, so you see we have removed this root over square sign here, so you have to give root over sign here. Here you write root 3 by 4 with plus minus sign. Therefore, x minus 3 by 2 equal to plus minus root 3 by 4. Therefore, x equal to plus minus root 3 by 4, same as it is, and we want to take minus 3 by 2 in this side, so you write 3 by 2. Here now we can take LCM 4, it will be plus minus root 3 and 2 4 2 times 2 3 is 6. So this is the answer. So x value of two values of x, here there are two values of x. One of them is x equal to, you see, plus root 3 plus 6 by 4. Another one is x equal to minus root 3 plus 6 by 4. So this is the answer. Now you try for another one. You see the question is 49x square minus 42x plus 9 equal to 0. So this is another question. We can write it as 49x square minus 42x equal to minus 9. As usual, we have done earlier. You have to write this one also again. Now you see, we can make it a whole square. That's why we have not divided both sides by anything. Here it can be make whole square, so you write it minus 2 into 7x. That is twice a from here 7x. Now you see by which number you have to multiply 7 to the 14x to get 42x. So easily 14 into 3 is 42, so that's why we have multiplied by 3. So b becomes 3. So if b is 3, it will be 3 square. You see, I have written 3 square extra in this side to make it a perfect square. It is now in the design of a square minus 2ab plus b square means perfect square equal to minus 9 plus 3 square in this side also, as we have written 3 square extra in this side. You have to write 3 square extra in that side also. Thus it becomes 7x minus 3 whole square, because it is a formula of a minus b whole square, that's why. Now 3 square is 9 minus 9 is 0. Therefore you write 7x minus 3 is equal to root 0. Root 0 means plus minus 0, no problem. You write 7x equal to 3 plus minus root 0. Therefore x equal to 3 plus minus 0 by 7. So here the two values of x are 3 by 7. Also another one is 3 by 7, because plus 0 is also 3, minus 0 is also 3. That's why. So this is the answer. Another one, by the same method, completing square. So after doing this one, completing square design will be completed. No more completing square methods are there. So this is the question. So you see, we can write it as a square plus 2 into a into b. So you see we have got 4x plus b square will be 2 square equal to 1517 plus 2 square, because we have written 2 square extra in this side. That's why we have written 2 square in this side also. Therefore it can be written as x plus 2 whole square equal to 1517 plus 4. That will be 1521. 17 plus 4, 1521. Let me see whether the square root of 1521 can be calculated or not. Wait. Suppose it is 1521. We are making pair 3 3 is 9. This is the division method of completing square. It is 7 21. 3 double 9. 9 8 7 8 8 64 9 9 81. It will be more. 7 7 43 6 6. No. So we are unable to find the square root of 1521. It is not a square number. So you do one thing. You write x plus 2 equal to root over 1521 with plus minus sign. Therefore, you write x equal to minus 2 plus minus root over 1521. So you see the values of two values of x are one is minus 2 plus root over 1521 and another one is x equal to minus 2 minus root over 1521. So this is all about completing square method. Now another method using formula how you can solve the quadratic equation. You see, method name is using formula. Using formula. Suppose one question is 14x square plus 3x minus 11 equal to 0. We have to solve it by using formula. So you see, we have already discussed in the previous video, a is the coefficient of x square, that is a is 14. B is coefficient of x, that is b is 3. And c is coefficient of, that is the constant number, that is c is minus 11. Your formula was also, I have shown this formula in the previous video, that was x equal to minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You have to learn this formula. And it is not at all an is a hard one. So you have to do one thing. You have to put the values of ABC here. Minus b, you see, you write minus b plus minus, then you keep the root over sign. Then you write b square means 3 square minus 4ac. 4 is 4, a is 14 and c is minus 11. You keep it in bracket. You see minus 11. A is 14, b is 3. Divided by twice a. Twice a means 2 into 14. That means you write here minus 3 plus minus root over 4. 3 square is 9. Here you see minus and minus. Here if you multiply 4 into 14 into 11, we know 14 into 11, you multiply yourself. 14 into 11 is 154. 154 into 4 is there. So if you multiply, you will get 616. You write plus 616. Why plus? You see minus a plus. Divided by 14 to 28. So we can write now minus 3 plus minus root over 6 to 5 by 28. It can be written as minus 3 plus minus 25 by 28. So after this you write either or. Now you write either x equal to minus 3 plus 25 by 28. So answer will be 22 by 28. 25 minus 3 is 22. So if you cancel, we'll get 11 by 14. Okay. Another one you write or x equal to you write minus 3 minus 25 by 28. It can be written as minus 28 by 28, that is equal to minus 1. So I have shown only one question of solving by method of that is solving by using formula. Since the video becomes a larger one, so I shall do more solve by using formula in the other video. For this video, we are concluding here. So thank you.